There's a light that we must follow. It seems far away, but yet it's next to you. There's a road that we must take to see the hunger and heartache, children dying, mothers slowly losing faith.
With so many people dying, how can we turn away? We must listen to our conscience and save a life today.
Take a step for mankind. We can save a child from hunger, so the one will be left behind. Take a step for the poor and the needy. Take a chance, lend a hand, be the hero, help to save mankind. There's a world out there, so let's show them that we care. Whether they live or die, it's truly our concern. And I know they've been holding on to the children, they must be strong.
We can't say that we're our brother's keeper and show no love at all. We must address this problem, or we're rising for the fall.
Take a step for mankind. We can save a child from hunger, so the one will be left behind. Take a step for the poor and the needy. Take a chance, lend a hand, be the hero, help to save mankind.
Yo, shout out to George the Governor. Let's go. In a world of abundance, the solution to hunger is within our reach. No, don't just talk about it, practice what you preach. Too many people dying simply because they cannot eat, and this is worldwide, maybe even on your street. I see Gandhi, I see Martin, I see Mother Teresa, I see hope, I see chance, hear it through the speakers. Turn your empathy, your sympathy into some action. Don't you hear the whole world asking?